अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Hello.
Am I audible? I have a question. Yes, you are. Yes, what's the question? Puchya. I have written the question. I hope we got it. Pass marks. We have these two different kinds of traditional pass marks and passing marks. We often say what in our day-to-day speaking or even writing. But ma'am, what's the correct way to say whether it's pass marks or passing marks? Because I've seen that in an official document we have this pass marks word. We use that, not passing marks. And as far as I'm informed, I know that pass marks is the correct. I don't know the logic why. So can you give me any logic? Have you to fill any form or anything official? Like, is it any issue regarding this grammar? You might find in a mark sheet that pass marks is written, not passing marks. Now, what do you think about this? Like, both are correct or not? The one is correct. Like, see, passing marks is incorrect usage. It is clearly incorrect usage. Okay, pass marks. We have to say always pass marks because passing marks you are talking about continuous tense, and there is no need of continuous tense. Okay, so whenever you talk, you definitely talk about simple present tense. So pass marks is okay. Passing marks isn't good because it is nothing continuity. Okay, if you get certain marks and if it is good to go marks, then it is pass marks. How can anybody say passing marks? It is not correct. Okay. It is not grammatically correct. Neither it should be used in any formal situation because in formal situation we use perfect words like perfect tenses. So pass marks is the correct word. Okay, like if I say that we don't need to use laughing gas. So laughing gas, we say the laughing gas in that phrase. So gas is the noun, and what about the laughing? Laughing, is it adjective or is it noun? Laughing gas, we say that. Yes, here laughing gas is denoted completely as a noun. You can't segregate the words over here because laughing gas is mentioned. That hydrogen sulfide is properly mentioned as laughing gas. Okay. Okay, so in that way, can't we say that passing marks is correct or not? So maybe you can like see anything which demonstrate of particular thing like noun अगर कोई particular noun if it is noun marks is something very certain you are describing it okay and that also in formal language that is past marks is correct because it is simple present. I am telling you in any formal thing you have generally to use simple tenses. You have to put either simple past tense, either simple present tense or simple future tense. Okay, you don't need to complicate and you should never go in continuity form. Okay, but in case of laughing gas, because it is a chemistry term, it is proper chemical term. You cannot relate chemistry with grammar. Okay. What about work days and working days? So, no, work days. If you say yeah, working days, it depends upon usage, right? So working days is correct because working days means how many days you are working right now. If you are working, okay. So here working is specifying your monthly salary or monthly income. Okay. If you will be working, you will be getting something. Okay. So yeah, like it is nothing like certain. If you have got some marks, okay, then you have got that marks. It is not so that you are currently getting that marks in flow. There is no scope for enhancement or increase. Okay. So there it's certain that yes, you have got a particular marks which is a pass, which is a pass marks for you. Passing what? Like passing is something like if it is going and moving, the flow is continue. But no, it is not continue. If you have got certain marks, then that is fixed. But working days, why it is called working days? Because it keeps on continuing. If you keep on working, you will get more and more salary. But it is not so. If your answer sheet is kept on checking, it doesn't mean that the marks will increase. Right? How much you have written, you will get that much. Just put the concept. So continuity is used where there is a sense of scope. If there is no sense of scope, there is no use of continuity words.